Have you ever stopped to really think about how a simple knife, a tool so basic that humans have been using it for thousands of years, evolved into an indispensable weapon and survival tool for soldiers across the centuries? It's a story of innovation, necessity, and relentless adaptation. In this video, you're going to embark on a deep dive into the fascinating evolution of military knife technology, discovering how advances in materials, design, and functionality transformed the knife from a rudimentary blade into the highly specialized tactical tool wielded by soldiers today. But what made these changes possible? How did ancient blacksmiths and modern engineers solve the complex problems of combat and survival to shape this vital piece of equipment? And what can the story of military knives teach us about the relationship between technology and warfare? Stay with me as we unpack this incredible journey, from the earliest forged blades of ancient warriors to the high-tech, precision-engineered knives designed for today's battlefields. Our journey begins thousands of years ago in the ancient civilizations of Egypt, Greece, and Rome, where the first military knives were crafted using bronze and early iron. These early blades were simple, yet effective, used not only in combat, but as essential everyday tools for soldiers who needed versatility. Imagine the life of a Roman legionary, carrying a gladius and a small knife, tools that had to be reliable for both fighting and survival tasks, like cutting ropes, preparing food, or building shelter. The materials available shaped the blades. Design. Bronze was easier to cast but less durable, while iron offered more strength but was harder to work with. The gradual shift from bronze to iron, and eventually steel, marked a turning point, allowing blades to become sharper, stronger, and more resilient. These early knives laid the foundation for what would become a complex evolution of military blade technology. And even today, modern knife makers study ancient forging techniques to capture their balance of durability and efficiency. As we move into the medieval period, military knives evolved dramatically, responding to the changing nature of warfare. The dagger emerged as a specialized tool for close combat and stealth operations. Unlike the multi-purpose knives of earlier eras, daggers were often shorter, lighter, and designed for quick, lethal strikes. They became popular among knights and soldiers who needed a reliable secondary weapon that could be concealed yet deadly. The forging processes improved, introducing higher quality steels that could hold a sharper edge and withstand the rigors of battle. You might wonder, how did blacksmiths manage to consistently produce such quality blades without modern machinery? The answer lies in centuries of craftsmanship and innovation. From tempering techniques to pattern welding, they engineered blades that balanced flexibility with hardness. Beyond combat, these knives served multiple roles, from cutting leather for armor repairs to everyday camp tasks, making them invaluable survival tools for medieval soldiers. The Industrial Revolution marked a seismic shift in the production and design of military knives. Suddenly, the ability to mass-produce standardized, high-quality blades meant entire armies could be equipped more efficiently and uniformly than ever before. The introduction of high-carbon steel revolutionized blade performance, combining hardness with flexibility to prevent breaking under stress. During World War I, the brutal conditions of trench warfare created new demands. Soldiers needed weapons optimized for close quarters, leading to the development of the trench knife, a compact, lethal blade with features like reinforced knuckle, guards designed both to protect the hand and act as a secondary striking weapon. This knife symbolized how warfare shaped tool design, prioritizing utility and survival in the harshest conditions. Have you ever seen images of soldiers gripping their trench knives, ready for combat in muddy trenches? That gritty reality directly influenced blade geometry, grip design, and even materials used, emphasizing durability and multifunctionality. Fast forward to the present day. And military knives are the epitome of ergonomic design, material science, and tactical functionality. Modern blades focus heavily on user comfort and task-specific optimization. Handles are sculpted for extended use, reducing hand fatigue, while blades are precisely balanced for accuracy and control. Advances in materials like titanium alloys, ceramic coatings, and composite polymers have given these knives unmatched strength, corrosion resistance, and lightness. Whether designed for survival, combat, or reconnaissance, today's military knives serve highly specialized purposes, reflecting decades of incremental improvements based on real-world feedback from soldiers and survival experts. For example, did you know some knives now feature replaceable parts or modular components, allowing soldiers to customize their tools for specific missions? This kind of innovation exemplifies how military knife technology remains a dynamic field, constantly evolving to meet new tactical challenges. Looking into the future, the evolution of military knives is poised to accelerate dramatically, thanks to advances in technology and materials science. Imagine knives embedded with electronic sensors that monitor environmental conditions, or GPS tracking devices that enhance battlefield awareness and soldier safety. Nanotechnology could create blades with molecularly engineered surfaces that resist wear and self-sharpen automatically. Speculative designs include adaptive blades that alter their shape or hardness, depending on the mission, or biocompatible materials that reduce injury risks during combat. These futuristic concepts may seem like science fiction, but ongoing research and development indicate they could soon become reality. This trajectory shows us that the knife, one of humanity's oldest tools, is still at the cutting edge of innovation. But what about civilian use? The innovations born in military knife technology have had profound effects on everyday knives. Tactical knives are now widely popular among outdoor enthusiasts, first responders, and individuals seeking reliable self-defense tools. Many features, originally designed for soldiers, such as ergonomic grips, durable coatings, and multifunctional designs, have become standard in civilian knives, improving usability and reliability. This trickle-down effect means the lessons learned on battlefields worldwide have directly benefited the tools we use daily, blending military-grade performance with practical applications for hiking, camping, or emergency preparedness. It's a legacy of innovation that continues to shape knife manufacturing and user expectations around the globe. This video is your comprehensive guide through the rich history, technical breakthroughs, and exciting future of military knives. Understanding this evolution not only enhances your appreciation for these tools, but also equips you to make informed choices when selecting your next knife, whether for survival, tactical use, or everyday carry. Stick with us until the end, and be sure to check the links in the description for highly recommended military and tactical knives that perfectly combine heritage, innovation, and unmatched functionality. If you're passionate about knives, survival, or tactical gear, this deep dive will open your eyes to the incredible journey of the military knife, a tool that has evolved over millennia to become one of the most essential pieces of equipment a soldier can carry.